Hi, you know me by now. My name's Justin Lee. I'm really pleased to be your trainer and coach for our sales workshop series in combination with the British Dental Industry Association and Focus4growth. We'll be starting our first session on the 28th of April at 10:30 a.m. And we are going to embark on a series of 10 workshops where we are going to look at the entire sales process from end to end, and we're going to look at what it takes to form the right psychology for sales, to develop the vital skills for sales, and to look at the systems that we need to put in place so that we follow a robust sales process that gives us the highest confidence and ensures that we have the highest chance of success. We'll be doing this over 10 one-hour sessions over around 4 to 5 months. They're every fortnight, and you should have them in your diary. We'll be sending you the invitation and the Zoom link shortly. If you haven't done so already, please go through the Focus4growth Sales Acceleration Scorecard. The address for the scorecard is on the email that this video arrived to you at. And if you could look at that scorecard and answer the questions honestly and openly about yourself. There are 46 assessment statements, and you rank yourself on a 5-point scale. Once you've gone through that, it'll take you between 10 to 15 minutes. So allocate some time, work through it, be honest about it. And what you're going to find is that as a result of going through that scorecard, you will have 3 key areas of focus. One will be where you are already strong in your sales capability. The second is going to be where you have specific development areas, the key areas where you're going to focus for development. And what you should also find are there may be some blind spots. There may be some areas that you don't realize are important for you to develop, and this is going to help you with greater self-awareness. So please complete that, have a look at the report, and bring that as you come into our sessions and our workshops, because we're going to use that as part of the direction and guidance for your own development through the workshops. We will also be looking at how we assign you accountability partners or accountability group. And we'll be doing that through your own organizations, through your own teams. And the idea of that accountability partner or accountability group is to really help you adopt the learning and implement everything that you are picking up as you go through the program. What we know is that the evidence shows that training interventions are really valuable, but they are amplified by 4 or 5 times if we can work with somebody else to help us adopt it and maintain an accountability to improve and use the content. You'll also be receiving a copy of the book, Inspire, Influence, Sell, Master the Psychology, Skills and Systems of the World's Best Sales Teams. And the program that we're about to embark on reflects all of the content of the book. So you'll have the scorecard, which will help you to measure and assess where you are in your sales capability. You will have the book, which is going to help you to become your guide as you work through the program. And you will have the program and the interactive sessions with me and with the rest of the cohort who are running through the program to really help you to implement and adopt the best practice when it comes to selling and influencing to your dental clients. So in preparation for the first session, please get yourself a notebook or a journal and allocate a section in there for this program so that you can really start to capture the notes and the key insights that are vital for you as you adopt the content and make the improvements in your business and in the improvements for your clients, for yourself, for your team. Please also arrive to each of the sessions 5 minutes early. We'll be starting each session at 10:30 a.m., mainly on a Wednesday morning. Please be there at 10:25. Be there ready. And in fact, if I could give you one piece of advice, schedule a 15-minute window before and after every session, so that you've got the luxury of time. You can prime yourself ready to come into the program, and you can have 15 minutes to reflect after each session, just to really get clear on what it means for you, how you're going to use that content, and the impact it's going to make for you and your business. In preparation for the first session, our first session, we will be looking at the program content. We'll be looking really specifically at mindset and psychology and the role that plays in our own success in our business, in our careers, in our roles, but also in our lives. And we'll be learning how the mind is such a powerful tool for success. So the final piece of preparation I'd like you to do, we will be doing a short round of introductions when we first start our session. And I will be asking you really simply to just introduce yourself, your name, your role, your company, and the one area that you're really looking to improve as we go through the program. Because that focus in advance is really vital in helping you to identify that area of focus as you go through the program. So I hope you're excited. I'm really looking forward to meeting everybody. I'm excited about the program and excited to share the key insights with you that are really going to help you take your sales performance and your business development performance to the next level. So that's everything for now. I hope you're excited. I'm really looking forward to leading you through our workshops. Have a wonderful couple of weeks, and I look forward to seeing you on the 28th of April at 10:25 a.m. Have a great month until then. See you soon.